Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a beautiful mermaid!
Yay!
So, let's get started. First, I will start with her face. Let's draw her eyes, a cute nose, mouth, and star in her hair. Now we will draw her neck and her hands. Next, I am drawing her top. Now I will draw her long, wavy, and beautiful hair. It's time to draw our mermaid's tail. Now we will draw scales in Mermaid's tail. Mermaid lives in water, so now we will draw the seabed, some rocks, and some aquatic plants. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, I will color the skin of the mermaid light pink. Now we will color her necklace and top with pink color. I am coloring the star in her hair golden. Her hair will be bright orange. It's time to color Mermaid's tail blue. Now we will fill green color in the aquatic plants. Now we'll color the seabed with brown color. At last, to complete our drawing, I will draw some water waves around the mermaid. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.